Hi! In this tutorial we are going to review Future Command Manager. I will open one file that I'm working on because I want all commands to be available. First command, Extruded Boss Base, is common used command that help us to extrude sketch or selected sketch contours in one or two directions to create solid feature. Then we have Revolved Boss Base. With this command we can revolve a sketch or contours around an axis, and with that we create a part. Swept boss base is to sweep closed profiles along an open or closed path to create a part. Lofted boss base is to add material between two or more profiles to create a part. With boundary we can add material between profiles in two directions to create a solid feature. Extrude Cut is also one of common used commands. We cut a solid model by extruding sketch profile in one or two directions. In Hole Wizard, we can find already prepared hole size by world geometry standards. Or we can define by ourselves the dimension of hole, counterbore, countersink, etc. After SolidWorks 2016, we have this command called thread. It helps us to create thread on cylindrical parts or holes. Revolved Cut helps us to cut model or part by revolving a sketch profile around an axis. Sweep Cut a solid model by sweeping a closed profile along a path. Lofted Cut helps us to cut model by removing material between two or more profiles. Boundary Cut cuts model by removing material between profiles in two directions. Fillet option create rounded face along one or more edges on part. Also same command has chamfer, just this option chamfering the edges. Linear, circular, fill and all other patterns have option to pattern future, face and bodies in some direction. Rip option adds thin or walled support to a solid body. Wrap option help us to wrap sketch contours onto the face. Intersect help us to create volumes. Draft option help us to taper model faces by specify the angle using plane or line. Shell option help us to remove material from a solid body to create a thin walled feature. Mirror option help us to mirror future face body about face or plane. In reference geometry commands we have plane, axis, point, coordinate system and others. Curves commands help us to project lines on part, to make helix and spiral lines and many more. And with Instant 3D we can change dimension of part and sketch with dragging of handles. This command is similar to Instant 2D. That's all for this tutorial. In next tutorial we are going to sketch, revolve and sweep it. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to stay tuned.